in the water and
Yeah,
everything. It was worth it. My name is Ashanti. My IG is shanti.rose, SHONTI.ROSE.
Okay. Are you having fun today?
I am. You guys are amazing.
Thank you. So what have we done so far?
We got a few shots up there. We got some of the backdrop of the waterfall, and now we're about to get in the water. So.
You hear that? We're about to get in the water. I did not say that, guys. Alright, hello guys. So here's a quick explanation of my two light setup for these pictures. I didn't use two lights for all the pictures, but I used it for some of them, and I'm just going to give you a quick explanation. So if you look back there, that is my friend who was assisting me that day, Shannon. He's holding the Godox AD200, and the main light that I'm using is the AD600, which is in the big ceiling softbox. That's the 48-inch softbox right there. It's double diffused. So I put it on the left side because that's where the darkness is. The light was coming from the right side. So what you try to do is balance the light situation. So we actually were shooting in the middle of the day, and it wasn't the best time, but I had already scheduled another shoot. So that's why we had to make it work. Alright, so stay tuned for some more pictures, and do well to subscribe, and there'll be more content coming up. It's a lot of work trying to edit these videos as well as getting people's pictures to them. So yeah, do well to give me a thumbs up. Thank you. Alright guys, the photo shoot is over. It was totally worth it.
It was wet in the water and everything. It was worth it.
She went in the water. I had to run back to get my lights and stuff. And well, I need to take a nap, but I have another shoot, so I'm gonna prepare for that one.
But it was good.
Yeah.
Fun.
Can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys the pictures.
Yes.
All right. Peace.